Hello, we're glad you've joined us to learn a bit more about ICP. This coin is part of the smart contracts sector, similar to Ethereum, the leader of the smart contracts coins. Before we get into the fundamental analysis of ICP, we want to urge you to watch the whole video, as we'll reveal both what $1,000 could look like if ICP took over the top spot from Ethereum as sector leader, and what the value of the $1,000 would be if ICP had the same market cap as Bitcoin. So stay tuned. It may make you wonder why you're holding onto cash right now. Welcome to Interweb Coins, where we cover crypto, the economy, and the people that influence it. We're here to lift the clouds, pull back the curtain, and give you a leg up in the world of crypto. Today we're going to do a fundamental analysis of ICP. This will cover the project's founders, what big players are invested in it, the sector, what it's trying to solve, and of course, a price prediction. One of the most important things we must analyze when looking at any crypto is if its supply is increasing, decreasing, or fixed. ICP is inflationary in nature, meaning similar to the US dollar, the coins in circulation are currently on the rise. This doesn't necessarily mean that it will continue to lose its value like the dollar, but it makes understanding the tokenomics and watching this whole video that much more important. According to CoinMarketCap's most recent numbers, ICP has a circulating supply of 269 million and a total max supply of 491,195,852. This means that of the total supply that will be created, 55% is already in circulation. At the time of this video's creation, the price of ICP is $4.84. It's currently ranked number 43 among all cryptos and ranked number 17 in the smart contract space. Currently, the price of ICP is negative 99%, down from its all-time highs. Nothing we haven't seen before in crypto, as the bears currently have control of the market. Now, before we get carried away with valuation, let's get started on a bit of fundamental analysis on ICP. The Internet Computer is built by the DFINITY Foundation and was started by a developer named Dominic Williams in 2016. The DFINITY Foundation is a non-profit organization devoted to researching and developing the Internet Computer. After years of research, it officially launched in May 2021. Researchers all over the world contribute to the Foundation's work, including cryptographers that hold around 100,000 academic citations and 200 patents. Like a lot of projects in the cryptocurrency space, the Internet Computer Protocol, or ICP, is much more than a form of digital money. ICP's basic idea is to create a new kind of decentralized internet and global computing system, where independent data centers all over the world could join together to create an alternative to the cloud services from companies like Amazon Web Services and Google Cloud that power most of the current internet. ICP's plan is to have the protocol running on millions of computers around the world. ICP developers say the resulting network has some key advantages over the centralized alternatives. For one, it operates via open standards and avoids the conflicts of interest that can arise when a major cloud computing provider hosts products that compete with its own services. Originally called DFINITY, ICP's global and distributed network of data centers can run all of the applications that are accessible via traditional internet standards, such as DNS, the domain name system you use via web browsers and smartphones. The ICP token has several major issues. It acts as a governance token, allowing holders to lock some of their ICP into the network in exchange for having a say in the future development of the ICP protocol, is rewarded by the network to participating data centers for good behavior, and is used to pay transaction fees on the network.
That you face to really make this happen?
Well, what I saw back in, 2014, 2015, spending a lot of time in the Ethereum community, was that in order to create a public blockchain that could scale infinitely and process smart contract computations very fast and do other things too, like enable smart contracts to serve interactive web content directly to users so that you can get complete end-to-end decentralization, it would be necessary to rethink blockchain from the ground up, firstly, rethink the architecture, and secondly, develop a lot of novel cryptography, which is why we employ so many cryptographers. And we said about that, obviously it's a very big, major technical undertaking, and that's why it's taken so long. But it does work very nicely. I mean, at the core of it is something called chain key cryptography that makes it possible to run lots of what we call subnet blockchains that are able to combine themselves into a single blockchain.
Headquartered in Zurich, Switzerland, DFINITY has raised funding of nearly $167 million from 12 investors. The investors of DFINITY include Andreessen Horowitz, 9 Yards Capital, Polychain, Scalar Capital, KR1, SV Angel, Amino Capital, Eternal Capital, Aspect Ventures, and Village Global. Now for the part you've been waiting for. This is the part most investors in crypto blindly focus on. Hopefully this evaluation will spark your curiosity in ICP, but will also give you a realistic outlook on a potential investment. This evaluation is based on the current supply of ICP and the all-time high market cap of coins we're comparing it to. Keep in mind this will not happen tomorrow, possibly ever. However, keep watching and we'll share why we think it's not out of the question. Alright, so here we go. So what would $1,000 turn into if ICP grew to the market cap of Bitcoin at its all-time high of $69,000? If you invested $1,000 into ICP at $4.84, that $1,000 would turn into $920,687. That's a 92,069% gain. So what would a $1,000 investment turn into if ICP was to overtake Ethereum for the #1 spot in the smart contract space? If you invested $1,000 into ICP at $4.84, that $1,000 would turn into $421,440. Now that we've drawn this picture for you, it's up to you to be realistic. Do they have the team, the use case, the developers? How about the funding? That is up to you to decide and do your own research on. Let's just take a look at the crypto and economy as a whole at the moment. In 2022, the crypto market's market cap has been settling between $500 billion and $2 trillion for the last 3 years. Now, how would it be impacted if money from other markets joined the party? Money that is currently being shut out of the market due to lack of regulation. According to Seville's World Research, here's a quick estimate of global wealth. Global real estate totals $325 trillion. The world's supply of above-ground gold is estimated at $12.1 trillion. Equities contribute to another $109 trillion. Now, look again at the total size of crypto. Look at the adoption curve. Look at how much money is in the stock market, gold, real estate, not to even mention the derivatives markets. If things are properly regulated and institutional money joins the market, are our previous evaluations realistic? Again, that's for you to decide. If you're in or plan to be involved in crypto, you must plan for volatility. And remember, time in the market always trumps timing the market. If you like to be liquid, however, and time macro trends, check out our other videos where we cover crypto adoption, macro-level cycle charts, and fellow investors' opinions. If you would like to perform our $1,000 calculation yourself on any other coin you're interested in or at a different price point, we've left a link in the description for you to do so. We hope you've enjoyed this video and choose to let us continue to help you do research on the crypto industry. A like or follow will help us reach more people and let us know we're on the right track. Thanks for watching.